Pyakara is river 19 kilometers from Ooty in the Indian state of Tamil Nadu with a village by the same name nearby. The Pyakara River is considered very sacred by the Todas. It rises at Mukurthi peak, flows northwards and then turns to the west after reaching the edge of plateau. The river flows through Mukurthi, Pyakara and Glenmorgan dams and forms part of an important hydroelectric power project. The river flows over a series of waterfalls, the last two of 180 feet and 200 feet being known as Pyakara Falls. The Pyakara Falls Ooty are approximately 6 kilometers from the bridge on the main road. There is a forest rest house at Pyakara. The boathouse on the Pyakara reservoir is an added attraction for tourists. Pyakara boasts well-protected fenced sholas, Toda settlements, large grassy meadows, and good wildlife habitat. The Pyakara Dam, Pyakara Waterfalls, Ooty, and reservoir attract many tourists. Pyakara Falls, Ooty, due to its location in the Nilgiris, get rain from both the monsoon. The wet season runs from April to December and the dry season from January to March. Pyakara Falls, Ooty, originating in the Mukurthi peak, Pyakara River and the waterfalls, the river produces one of the most beautiful and majestic sights that you will get to see in Ooty. Located 20 kilometers away from Ooty, in the Ooty-Mysore road, Pyakara Lake has been developed into thoroughly enjoyable picnic spot by the addition of boathouse and restaurant.